The Transport Operators Development Sustainable Service TODSS is urging its public transport operators to hold off on plans for an all-island no-movement day on September 7 when the new school term begins. President Egerton Newman had made it clear that TODSS is not in support of the proposed move. He says the government should be given more time to address their concerns, as stakeholders already met with Transport Ministry officials to work through the issues, including the October 1 implementation of the new demerit points system and better working conditions for PPV operators.
Listen, and he's paying keen attention to it by way of establishing a committee put together with several agencies and organizations. And we believe that time should be given for this team to review the Road Traffic Act and to get back to us. It cannot be done overnight. We believe in communication, and we have done that. We believe in consultation, and that is taking place. And we hope that the October 1 time for demerit points to be put in place will be set back.
Transport operators have raised issues with the demerit points system, particularly that there is the high risk of rapid license suspensions, which would affect their earning potential. Mr. Newman is also urging operators to avoid taking any actions that could unnecessarily disrupt the reopening of schools.
September 7th is back to school. Why would I, as a parent, want to disrupt the opening of school, new school term? No, I can't. And so the Transport Operators Development Sustainable Services and its associated groups and individual island-wide does not support. We must focus on public transportation if we are public transportation operators. Don't mix it with politics.